Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 727 Clark Avenue here in Melbourne, Florida. And this super cute little gem is going back on the market. This home is being sold partially furnished, so if you like the furnishings, they are all yours. So I would say the best thing about this home is it is a pool home, and the pool is amazing. I try to avoid being in your video, but that is the primary bathroom, bedroom. Does have a walk-in. Sorry, a little bit of spinning going on here, folks, but wanted to make sure that you got to see the whole thing. There's your front door, back to your living room, dining room area. And we do have a nice split plan here, so let's cruise over and look at bedroom number 2. Little closet here in the hallway. Bedroom number 3. And tub shower combo in there. And nice cute little area here. Check out this kitchen. The kitchen is pretty. It's got these nice cabinets, lots of space. Brand new dishwasher. Nice refrigerator. Does have the washer dryer. Yes, I'm saving the pool for last, folks. I got to keep you with me. We do have a 1-car garage here, so we've got that. And yes, we are going to the best place. So you've got a nice patio out here. It does have the plastic liners on the windows, and you can open all those if the breeze come through, or you can just hang out. So here is the pool, folks. That's amazing. It's a nice big pool, plenty of places to sit and hang out. It's got the slide, got a nice shed. We'll go ahead and head over, take a look. Nice barbecue area out here. Again, nice size shed. Plenty of space in there, in good shape. Not gonna lie, we need a little bit of love on the yard, so it is a little bit long right now, but look at all the areas for hanging out, sitting down, tables, chairs. Now this pool was resurfaced about 5 months ago. So brand new resurface job in here. So pool should be great for quite a while. Can you imagine having your own slide into your own pool in your backyard in Florida in this wonderful sunshine? Nice big area outside. And I would say this is definitely the selling point for this home is this gorgeous pool. And folks, we are listed at $275. So can you imagine you get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, partially furnished home, brand new dishwasher, gorgeous kitchen, counters, lots of space in here, indoor laundry, and again, split plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, look at that TV. And this home is a pool home. So that would be the biggest feature in my mind, is that gorgeous pool for plenty of swimming fun here in sunny Florida. So folks, just to recap, we're at 727 Clark Avenue here in Melbourne, Florida. We're in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it is a split plan, and we've got the most amazing pool. So, pool home, inside laundry, 1-car garage, brand new dishwasher, literally not used, resurfaced pool about 4 or 5 months ago. So if you'd like to see this home, have any questions, 321-480-7662. Sink, isn't that a nice sink, folks? Anyway, my name is Margaret, your favorite Space Coast realtor, signing off here in Melbourne, Florida. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.